Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to install an LED medicine cabinet. We need to remove the cabinet door. Press the button on the uni hinges and carefully lift the door away from the cabinet frame. Next, you'll see the black power cord that's attached to the cabinet. We need to remove this cable by unscrewing it from the cabinet. Now we'll install the support hooks for the glass shelves. Take hooks like these and position them where the glass shelves will sit. Carefully fit the hooks into the pre-drilled holes, then gently place the glass shelves onto the hooks. Make sure they're level and secure. Using a small screwdriver, tighten the screws on each hook to ensure the glass shelves are properly supported. The mirror panels on the sides have their own mounting hooks. Position these hooks on the sides of the medicine cabinet where indicated. Using your drill, secure all the mounting holes. Make sure everything is tight and properly aligned. To reinstall the door, simply press the same button on the uni hinges and guide the door back into its correct position until it clicks securely. Finally, connect the black power cable and you're all done. Your LED medicine cabinet is now fully installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more installation tutorials.